Good afternoon and welcome to the channel. I got home from McLaren, Philly, so that was in the previous vlog. If you haven't seen it, check it out. But my family's here, but also the new engine from Texas Speed is here. Holy shit, this is a big moment. Came on a medium-sized 18-wheeler, and holy crap, guys, the Texas Speed 427 is in that box. What is this? Oh, that's a McLaren. Just dropped off mine this morning. This is a loaner because mine's getting some stuff done to it. But yeah, mine's orange if you've ever seen that one.
Well, whatever came by there, I didn't even see it. He was, you know, oh yeah.
A built 427 from Texas Speed, Mom.
And what is it? Is it an engine? What are you trying to?
It's an engine. It's a full, like, basically turnkey, ready to go engine in the box.
What car?
For the Grandpa Vet. All right, boys, so I got everything else done, out of the way. We're good to go. We can now focus on what's in the box. We can focus on the delivery. This is insane. Like, I was excited about it before, but, I mean, look at this freaking gigantic box. This is the biggest delivery I think I've ever gotten, and I've gotten a lot of shit here, except maybe the truck lift kit might have been bigger because that came on a pallet as well. But anyway, this is it. Inside is the new engine for the Grandpa Corvette. Not just any engine, not like a, you know, turnkey little Chevy 350 or something like that. This is a 1500 horsepower capable custom built Texas Speed 427. Now, as for why I chose a 427 and for the specs and everything like that, well, I've always liked the number, the 427, and not so much the 427 cubic inches part, but the 7-liter part, ever since the C6 Z06 came out, and it was a 7-liter NA. So like the 427, not really, honestly, any reason other than that. I mean, yes, they hold power, but you could do, you know, any custom built engine is going to hold the power you want, but I always wanted, you know, a 427, always wanted a 7-liter engine, and it is in fact built for boost. But enough of me talking about it. Let's go ahead and unbox it. This is friggin' like, this is insane. First thing I'm gonna have to do is move it, which, believe it or not, like it's a fully built, ready to go engine. Like, it's gonna be, you know, you can basically put it in the car and it'll run, but it really isn't that heavy, shockingly. I mean, it's heavy, don't get me wrong, but it's not like, you know, it's not like insanely heavy. You can move it relatively easily. And get out my drill here. I cannot friggin', like, this is so crazy. I've never done anything like this before. This is totally new to me. This is like the best Christmas present ever, but it's not even Christmas. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I'm like grinning ear from ear. I'm basically 12 years old. Holy shit. All right. We're gonna see it at the same time. There it is. I've been waiting for this for like, this thing's been being built for like 2 months. I've been waiting for this. And oh my god, there it is. Look at the heads on it. Heads, valve covers. So we'll get into that in a second. Look, it even comes with, what is this, oil? It even comes with oil. That's freaking crazy. Texas Speed, going above and beyond, even comes with oil ready to roll. That is so cool. Holy shit. Holy shit, guys. Holy shit. This thing looks so So insane. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at it. Just look at it. There you go. You can see the color scheme I went for. I went for black valve covers and a black intake manifold. A little bit different. I know Leroy runs the polished setup all around. So I wanted to at least differentiate a little bit if I could. So I went for the all black, and Texas Speed hooked me up with these really cool black valve covers. You can see Texas Speed engraved on there. And of course, this is an intake manifold built for boost, boys. Built for boost. And if you ever wondered what like a fully assembled, ready to go engine in the box looks like, this is it. I mean, like I said, this is fully assembled, basically ready to go. Just got to hook everything up and plug it in, and you're essentially, I mean, this is it. Like, it's ready to be dropped in the car. This is ready to go into Grandpa. 1,500 horsepower engine, just like that. So, needless to say, and I have a bulldog here sniffing the door. If you're not already following Texas Speed, check them out. Great people, total pleasure to work with, and they make some amazing products, as you guys know. They've been doing this shit for a long time with drag cars, all kinds of different racing applications, and they really know their stuff. And I'm super excited to be able to work with them and have an engine from them in my vehicle. And this is just like seeing the work. It's like beautiful. It's a work of art almost, really, because it's all mechanical parts, but seeing it just sitting here put together, I mean, it's just super nice looking, and I cannot wait to get that in the car. This is like I think this is the craziest unboxing I've ever done. Here's just an engine, 7-liter, 1,500 horsepower capable engine sitting here. Got old Send It Steve here on the line. I said, do you want to come over? I waited all day so that I could include him. I know that he was busy today, and he's apparently working on 2 Corvettes, and I said, you need a garage. He says, yeah, help me, which, by the way, once again, I have offered multiple times for him to use my garage. He doesn't ever take me up on it, but I sent him that, and we'll see what he has to say. But this is like, I'm sorry, I just keep saying the same stuff, but this is mind-blowing. Like, the potential of what's here, and my God, like, I can't wait to get started. Plus, as you guys I'm sure know, if you didn't catch that update video, we are giving the LS2 to Steve so that he has a working engine for his car. He blew up his car, something, I don't know exactly, I forget exactly what happened, but his engine is blown up. So we're gonna give him this LS2 in here. And are you unlocked? Never unlocked. Grandpa always locks himself. It's a weird thing. He just locks himself all the time. I don't know why. I don't know how. Block, heads, intake manifold, that's all coming out, and that new unit's going to go in, but we're going to reuse basically everything here. So the alternator, power steering system, your battery, fuse box, everything for your brakes and all that stuff. So all that's going to stay in the car. Basically, we're just taking this basically from here back, and down is going to come out. New part's going to go in, hook everything up. And there's definitely, there's going to be some pieces that we need here and there. Like, I'm going to have to order some stuff. I'm not sure what yet, but it should be a pretty, I don't want to say an easy swap, because it's not. I mean, no engine swap is easy, but it's not going to be super difficult. It should work pretty well. And I want to get started like as soon as possible. I'd like to get started today. Maybe I'll film a little bit this evening of the tear down of the LS2. But, I mean, we're going to be doing that this week, Steve and I, here in the garage.
Yeah, I think I'm in love.
You think you're in love, buddy?
Yeah, you're making me want to just fucking sell everything and buy a motor and not pay my bills.
And not pay your bills.
Yeah.
Oh, man. They even sent a box of oil with it, buddy. Break-in motor oil.
I seen that.
Like what? What are you doing?
That fucking cam job. I was waiting. You said you'd call me in the morning, so I worked on this till like 11 o'clock, and I was like, all right, Mike's gonna call. I'm gonna go get some shit done, so I ran all around.
I thought you were busy all day. I literally left you alone because I thought you were gonna finish the cam job.
No, you said you'd call me at noon.
Oh, I forgot.
Yeah.
Ready, but I mean, once we take out the LS2 and use all the old pieces, it should be ready to roll. Like, it's buttoned up and sealed up and everything's like good.
Yeah. Well, that's like I said to you yesterday. Like we're just gonna put it in right now, and you're gonna break it in. Like don't fucking beat the ever living piss out of it like you did the ZR1 break in, but like actually drive it for like sensible 500 miles. Should be back home by like 12:30.
Okay.
And I want to fucking start getting Grandpa torn apart if you don't care.
All right, yeah, let's do it.
All right, that's the game plan then. So stick with it, fucker.
The shit I gotta do for a thumbnail. Don't mind me, I'm just pushing my engine around.
What are you doing?
Moving an engine around. All right, let me ask you this. Who is ready for a little Doug Speed 717 action? Well, whether you wanted it or not, you're getting it. This is the McLaren 570 GT. Now, a lot of people think that the 570S is the only entry-level McLaren, but that's not true. In fact, the 570S is just one model out of the 3 entry-level models based on the same platform. So you have the 540C at the bottom, which is the cheapest, slowest option, basically a 570S and a 570 GT just sort of detuned. Then you have the 570S, which you can think of as the sport model, which makes sense because it's S. And then you have the GT, which you can think of as the Grand Touring model because GT. Now, as for what the C in 540C stands for, I don't know. Car. Now I got Grandpa pulled in, nose front, that way we can get into it tomorrow, and this should be a very fun week ahead installing this motor. And, you know, it'll be very interesting to see. I'm actually pretty excited to find out how much power, I wonder how much power it makes without the turbos. Now, it's built for boost, but, I mean, it'll work without turbos, and I would be very fascinated to see if it makes, I wonder if it'll make like, it might make like 500 horsepower to the wheels NA. I mean, a built 427, I don't see why it wouldn't. So that'd be pretty sweet. But anyway, there you go. Just a little update for you. Unboxing this incredible 1500 horsepower capable engine. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Take care. Have a great night.